Hey TayBaes, it's Taya. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, Izzy Boo is going to be helping me out by doing my voiceover, and she's really excited. So if you want to have a little bit of fun with us, then keep on watching.
Hi you guys, my name is Isabella. My mom said I can do the talkover for today's video. She pulled her hair back so she doesn't get makeup on it. And now she's getting the stuff that she puts on her face first before she gets anything else on her face. She gets her brush, puts it on her brush and puts it on her face. And right now she is blending it in with her brush. And she got her foundation and she is putting it on her brush and then putting it on her face and then blending it in with her brush. And when you blend it in, it looks like nothing's on your face. Okay, so she's blending it in right now. And she is putting her other makeup products on her face right now.
What's that one for?
Your face.
Yeah, what am I doing with it?
I have no idea. She is blending it in right now. So right now she is doing little dots on her face. And she is blending it in right now. So yeah. So right now she is done. So she's getting her other products right now. She is putting little baby dots on her nose, then putting like a little circle on her forehead, dot on her chin, and a little U on her under her nose. So right now she is blending it in with her sponge. Now she is putting more of the products under her eyes, and then she is going to wait and then blend it in. Blend it in. Yes. And she's finished right now. So she's getting a little bit more under her eye, as you can see. So, So right now she's getting her other products that she puts on her face, which is her powder. So she doesn't pour it, she just dips it in. So she's putting it under her eyes right now. Under her eye. And on her chin, under her nose, on her forehead, like the other one. She is really doing it today. So right now she is getting her other powder, but not like the one that she just used, kind of like harder. So right now she is blending it in on her face. So right now she is getting her other beautiful brush. She is getting her other, I think, powder, bronzer. She is putting it on her brush, putting it on her face, blending it in. So yeah, she is blending it in on her cheeks. And you guys, if you cannot see, she has cheekbones. She seriously does. So now she is getting her other products, putting it on her face right now. And what she's doing right now. Now she's getting something to like color in her eyebrows. Like I've seen her do that before. I think she's about to be done. I have no idea. Because sometimes I don't know her personality. So right now she's getting her little tiny brush. And she is blending on her eyebrows with her little tiny brush that can fit her eyebrow. She is blending, I think. Blending with the D at the end. That's for her eyes, her eyeshadow. That is her eyeshadow. So yeah, she did pick a really cute color. I like that color. It's really sparkly. So she's still blending and putting the eyeshadow on. Beautiful. Now she's getting the brownish color and putting it on her eyes, blending it in with the pink color, and it makes a pretty good color. I like how it makes that like kind of red color. And she is getting her spray that she sprayed on her after she does her makeup. And that is her lip liner. She puts it on her lips before she puts her lipstick on. And she puts it on top of her lips and on the bottom. And then she puts her lipstick on after she puts her lip liner. So right here she has two different kinds of lipstick. So she is choosing the purple right now, as you can see. She is choosing the purple right now. And it makes a good color with the lip liner. So she is dancing. Well, now she is letting her hair go. She is taking the clips out. And her makeup is finished, as you can see, and it looks beautiful. So right now she's giving you guys a little tour of her makeup. Everything, even her makeup, her wig, what she's wearing is really beautiful. I like it. It's 100 thumbs up for her. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget, press the bell. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!